Na turn by turn, oh. Na jagaban turn, oh. Turn by turn, oh. I beg you wait for your turn. I beg you wait for your turn, oh. My people, Asari-Dokubo don come out again. Una know say Asari-Dokubo promise you and I say if Tinubu fail, make we hold am responsible. Why be say person wey never finish his tenure? You are already proactively, you are running more than your shadow, now judging the city president say e don fail. I don't understand. I go like make una listen to Asari-Dokubo. They will now take you back, recapitulate on some of the videos where Asari-Dokubo don do. Listen to
President Ahmed Bola Tinubu. There are a lot of things involved in this River State matter. And as a friend, I am advising you, if you are not careful, River State will become like the ancient marina. You are going to carry it on your neck. Earlier, you called your minister and the governor to Abuja again to maintain the status quo. The better it will be. The better it will be. I am saying it. I have everything to lose. But if I don't advise you, I stake my life. I stake everything. I stake my businesses, my source of livelihood for you to become president. And if I am unable to tell you the truth, if you are in your government, I have to stake everything for telling you the truth. I have started doing it now. I am staking everything to tell you the truth. It is left for you to hear, but the result you will see. I did not see Wike until my friends, my associates feel that, oh, there's a need, let us go and see Wike, and we went. And since that day I left, I have never gone there. Even when I'm supposed to call him, I didn't call Wike. I'm saying it live. He's there. I didn't call him. I don't have any personal problem with Wike. I don't have any personal problem with him. I hardly have personal problem with people. I say my mind. If you don't like it, okay. President, let me tell you, if you allow Wike to push this as he's doing, it will be very difficult for him to even come to River State. It will be difficult for those his 27 House of Assembly members to even have a place to stay in River State. It will be difficult for anybody if they think that they are going to impeach him and the job people will allow it. It will be difficult to impeach him. Mark this word I'm telling you. God knows. Nobody. It will be difficult to impeach him and bring a governor. It's not going to be possible. Go and ask in Ondo State. Go and ask in Delta State. The fury of the job people. They don't give a damn. They are hardly afraid of. I'm telling you the truth. The earlier you hear this, you accept it. Call Wike. Call Wike, call same. Let them maintain the status quo. That is the only way. If they don't, Alamese impeachment was Ijo. So don't, the person who succeeded Alamese was Ijo. Good luck, Jonathan. He became vice president and became president. So it is not Alamese's matter. Try this one and see what will happen. Try this one and see what will happen. A word is enough for the wise.
Now, my people, in fact, we never hear anything though. Asari-Dokubo now, they threaten a city president. In fact, he went on by telling Tinubu, say, I sell everything I sell my car, I sell my drawers, I sell my goat, I sell my kitchen, I sell everything. I put my life out there for you to become the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Not because of you and I. He do all those things for his selfish interest. He not do and say, make me, Elvis, stay enjoy Nigeria. Make you where they watch me so, stay enjoy Nigeria. No, make stay enjoy Nigeria, no. He do them for their selfish interest. Now, if they call Tinubu now, say make he call Wike to order. For the interest, for what is happening, for his satanic interest, what they happen for River State. Now, he also they pass threats. Say they could not listen. We don't go take them from anybody. Not anymore. Now see, I tell you, say the situation of our country, both you way they pretend say, not concern me, you not concern me, it go concern everybody. This matter, it go concern everybody. There's no need to deceive ourselves. My people, when this man say now turn by turn, no, make una listen to that video. Make we dance more turn by turn. Make una listen to it. Turn by turn.
Say now turn by turn, oh.
NAIJA turn by turn, oh. I beg you wait for your turn. I beg you wait for your turn, oh. Turn by turn, oh. NAIJA turn, oh. Turn by turn, oh. I beg you wait for your turn.
If you do anyhow,
You say anyhow.
you do anyhow,
You say anyhow.
you do anyhow.
You say anyhow. You go collect woto.
Turn by turn, oh. Agagaban turn, turn by turn, oh. I beg you wait for your turn.
Okay. I must still take una through the memory lane. The time when this man threatened the Igbos. He said they take their filthy hand to write against him. He condemned the Igbos, denied them. In fact, he threatened them. Listen to this video. We are recapitulating. Listen.
You take your leprosy hand to write. You don't have respect for the people who bought your father. Is it every Calabar man that is a Calabar man? Do you know your roots? That you talk to me. You don't know that people own this Calabar? You are law abiding. Igbos, I don't know them. I don't know where they come from. Because I know that if not for British intervention, I will still be selling them. The way my father sold them. Now look at you people in Igbo land. Look at how you are dying. Woto. You are talking. You will do video to sell that Elijah has run away. On our head, no correct. On our head, no correct. The bill is on they look for who go finish on her. Look for her everywhere, finish on her. And they see me. Igbo people, hunt them down and kill them. Don't show them mercy. They are worse than the devil.
We never start. My people, we never start. When we are speaking, some of you will say, why will they talk? We don't reach to talk. Say, oh, we be. We just want Nigeria to be better. That is what I stand for. I want to see my country become a better country. Comparing to other countries where I've been. I've been to so many countries in my life. So many European countries, so many developed countries. I've been to so many places. I have been dreaming, wishing, hoping that Nigeria will somehow, someday become one of those developed countries that have been in my time. That's why you see people like us are doing what we're doing today. We have option not to do this. I am a wonderful panelist, my NAIJA WATCH family, but we are doing it because we want Nigeria to be better. But some of you will insult us, telling us that, oh, we can't speak to your governor, we can't speak to your president, we can't speak to your satanic elite, those are your favorite. We can't speak to your favorite. But look where we are today. The evil you see today and pretend will somehow someday come to haunt you. You can't hide it. I said we can bring this one, I can't give number people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone from NAIJA WATCH Media. I'll see you guys 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's talk about this extensively. Take care and bye for now.
This is the consequence of the vote you voted. And it's too early to cry now because actually the real problem hasn't come. This is the consequence of the vote you voted. And it's too early to cry now because actually the real problem hasn't come.